हम अपने दम पर आग लगाएंगे। तुम रुक जाने की बात करते हो, हम पूरा मंजर उठा कर लाएंगे। So, on the behalf of Android players, first of all, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
This is me, Riya Dubey, the captain of Android players, and I have 4 members. First is Miss Sneha. Good morning.
Good morning.
Second is Miss Anjali.
Good morning.
Third is Miss Rahat.
Good morning.
And fourth is Miss Kakul.
Good morning.
And we are here to present a wonderful, a superb, a fantastic, full of enthusiastic and bombastic topic. That is challenge. Challenge for those who can change, and changes for those who can't fight with the challenges. It means चुनौतियां उनके लिए होती हैं जो बदलाव कर सकते हैं, और बदलाव उनके लिए होते हैं जो चुनौतियों से लड़ नहीं सकते हैं। Challenge, challenge, challenge. What do you mean by challenge? Challenge is something new and difficult that forces you to make a lot of effort. Challenge, you know, life is full of challenges. Life is full of struggles. Life is struggling, life is challenging. Life is not a bed which is full of roses. Life is struggling, life is full of challenging. You know guys, challenge, the meaning of challenge, the definition of challenge is very short, is very small. But if I talk about the impact of challenge, the effect of challenge, so it is very expanded. Life, the second aim of life is facing the challenge. In every people understanding, the meaning of challenge is not same. Some people think that challenge is like a problem. Some people think that challenge is like a struggle. But no guys, challenge is challenge. Challenge is a step of success. If you want success, so first of all, face the challenges. You have listened me about many people like Mukesh Ambani is successful. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is successful. Mahatma Gandhi is successful. Rani Lakshmibai is successful. But have you listened that they have not faced the challenges? They are successful because of that, because they faced the challenges. That's why they are successful today. Have you listened about the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar?
Yes.
He is a successful person. You know why? Because he faced the challenges. You know, he had no rights to stand in the front of the class, in the front of the student and read the book. But he wrote the Constitution of the India, the National Book of the India, the Constitution of the India. Had they less challenges? Had they less challenges?
No.
No, they had not less challenges. They had more challenging life than you. But he faced the challenges. That's why he is successful today. So, if you want success, so first of all, face the challenges. तुम सपने एक देखोगे, मुश्किलें 1000 आएंगी, पर वह मंजर बहुत खूबसूरत होगा जब कामयाबी शोर मचाएगी। So, as my captain Riya told you about the challenges. Yes, guys, facing challenges is very important. It's necessary. So let's know ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, let's know about the types of challenges. There are 2 types of challenges. First one is social challenges. In social challenges contains a lot of challenges, such which affect not only our society physically but also mentally, such as poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, corruption, population, child labor, natural resources problem, and terrorism are the biggest challenges for our country. Our country is facing these challenges and many. And second one is mental challenges. Most challenging type is mental challenges. Who can control his emotion, he can face these challenges. Fearing, annoying, feeling sorrow, bearing challenges for a man, building confidence, overcoming from fear, being happy, keep smiling, controlling emotions are also the challenges. Who can control these emotions, he can face these challenges and he can make his life. My dear friends, if challenges comes in your life, so don't get afraid. Face them without any fear, because challenges makes man change. If you face the challenges, then you will have improve yourself. So let's not veer away from the challenges. Face them head on with courage and determination, for it's in overcoming obstacles that we find our true potential. वो हर वो चीज जो आपको चैलेंज करती है वो आपको चेंज करती है. इसलिए चैलेंजेस का सामना करने के लिए स्ट्रगल से नहीं डरना है, क्योंकि ये वही कहानी है जो सक्सेस होने के बाद आपको सबको बतानी है. Now my friend Miss Anjali will narrate you ahead about the challenges.
My friend tell you about types of challenges. There are two types of challenges. First one is the social challenges and second one is the mental challenges. So now what should be quality of the facing the challenges? All has dare to face the challenges, because this quality are only one special members. It's me challenging man. If you have do something, then firstly you will face the challenges. There are three remember things. First one is that self-confidence. It's me believe in yourself. Second is that overcome from fear. It's me don't feel fear and weakness, which step as very challenges. Third is that saying on your way. It's me don't never give up and don't leave for way. If you have do something in your life, then firstly you will face the problem and challenge the problem. You get success in your life, then firstly you will develop your skills, quality and etc. If you have this skill, then you can do everything in your life. If you have not this quality, then you can not success in your life. Firstly, you will improve your skills and quality, then you can a lot of success in your life. Challenge is very important and necessary for everyone life.
Yes, guys, yes. My captain, my friend Miss Neha, Miss Anjali told you a challenge. Facing challenge is not easy, but necessary. ये ज़माना नहीं शांति से दिन बिताने का, ये ज़माना है कुछ कर दिखाने का. बिना चुनौतियों से लड़े नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वाले कभी हार नहीं होते. चुनौतियों से लड़ना जिंदगी का उसूल है, बाकी सारी बातें यहाँ फिजूल है. सच्ची मेहनत कभी बर्बाद नहीं जाती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
As my friend, my partners, my group members told you, narrated you, elaborated you about challenge. Yes, guys, yes. Challenge. Life is full of challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, life is a journey filled with both triumphs and setbacks. You know, guys, challenges in their various forms are inevitable, whether they arise from personal relationships, career pursuits, and unexpected events. Dear audience, these obstacles, however, are not meant to discourage us, but rather to push us beyond our comfort zones and personal development. One key aspect of navigating challenges is developing resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity. This involves cultivating a positive mindset, practicing problem-solving skills, and seeking support when needed. Dear friends, it also means acknowledging our emotions, learning from mistakes, and adapting to changing circumstances. Furthermore, challenges can be powerful catalysts for growth. By overcoming obstacles, we develop new skills, enhance our self-discipline, and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our capabilities. You know, friends, these experiences are also lead to a greater appreciation for life's joys and a stronger sense of purpose. Ultimately, how we choose to respond to life's joys and determines the kind of impact they will have on us. Ladies and gentlemen, we can transform them into opportunities for growth and success. ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. I want to share a शायरी. मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, जिंदगी का हर पहलू इम्तिहान होता है. डरने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों को कदमों में सारा जहान होता है. You know, Malala Yousafzai.
Yes, Malala is from Pakistan.
She has shot by the Taliban for raising her voice in support of girls' education, but she didn't give up and continued to fight for education. Was it easy for them?
Yes. No.
Was it easy for them? No, but उन्हें ना किया. इसलिए I want to share a शायरी. उम्मीदों का दिया बुझाया नहीं करते हैं, दूर हो मंजिल पर पांव डगमगाया नहीं करते हैं, और हो दिल में जिसका जज्बा मंजिल को पाने का, वो मुश्किलों से घबराया नहीं करते हैं. So ladies and gentlemen, as my friend, my members, my partner elaborated and narrated about the challenge, my first member, my first speaker, Miss Sneha, told you about the types of challenges. That there are two types of challenges. First is social challenges and second is mental challenges. And my second speaker told you about what are the benefits, what should be the qualities of facing the challenges. Like first is confidence, second is overcome from fear, and third is never give up. And my third partner told you about what are the benefits of facing the challenges. And my last partner, Ms. Katul, told you, narrated you, elaborated you, and motivated you about the challenge. That face challenge, because until you face the challenge, still you will not get the success. Until you will not face the challenges, until you will not do the struggle, till you can't get the success, So face the challenges, take the challenges, and get the success. So in the last, we would like to say something. Take the challenges. Face the challenges. Don't be worried. I can't do that. You are the best. That's all.